Hey, thanks y'all for joining us out here at Berryessa today. We are the Andy Covian from Seattle, Washington. We drove down here to play for you. That's Gary Palmer on the keyboards over there, stage left. Scott Goodwin on the drums, give it up. Chris Jones on the bass. I'm Andy. We're going to do another jam for you and then take a little set break. Gentle reminder, there is a tip jar, I think, right there. Let's throw something in there to help us get back to Seattle. Thank you so much.
Otherwise this rain will just continue for days.
Yeah, if we stay here, the rain's going to stay with us. So. Thanks, y'all. We'll be back in a few.